sa Elbow. Doon ulit kami mag-fishing today and we woke up early. Kala namin makakapunta kami ng 6 a.m. pero super windy. But now hindi
And raining.
and raining. Yan. Kaya hindi po kami nakapunta ng maaga. So, punta na kami ngayon. It's, what time is it now? It's about 10 o'clock? 9:30 to 10 or 10 o'clock guys. Ayan. So, we're heading there. And wish us luck na sana makahuli kami ng isda because tomorrow we will be back to Edmonton. Ayan guys. So, mega love shoutout sa lahat. Thank you very much and see you again sa karugtong ng aking vlog na ito. Okay guys? Bye for now! So we are now in a small town of Elbow here at Saskatchewan. So good luck fishing to us. Tourist Andre, he managed to bring the truck. Look at the truck. There, God. So we will not be walking for a long distance anymore. Thank you. Yeah, we walked so far to get in here, guys. So you managed to bring the truck. Ah, good. Oh, really? So the waves is very strong. Oh well, maybe this is not our lucky day again. And we're leaving tomorrow because I need to support my friends in YouTube. So we have to go home. I'm sorry guys. Yung mga support ko sa premiere. I promise. See, you can hear the waves. Eto guys, it's around 2 p.m. and wala pa rin kaming huli dito sa Albo. Dito po yung place ng mga friends ko na taga Saskatchewan. They're coming here to fish. And shout out Chilanda and Caridad and the rest of the people from Baguio City na dito po tumatambay at nagpi-fishing. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Thank you guys. At nakita ko ng beautiful spot ninyo. And I hope to be back again. Ayan. And ang ganda-ganda ng lugar ninyo. Ayan, may table kayo rito. Thank you so much. Ayan guys. Ito yung lugar. Ayan. Ganda po ito ng Raven Baker Lake. Ayan. And meron silang ihawan dito. Ayan. May ihawan po sila dito. Ayan. Mga taga-Baguio po yung mga pupunta rito. And meron po dito. And syempre guys, may table sila. Ayan. Pag off nila po, pumupunta sila rito and may mga laruan ng mga bata rito. And meron silang pagdala ng tubig. Eto guys, ayan. Meron silang kawali dyan. And meron pang cut doon. Ayan. So, dito po sila nagluluto guys. And meron silang mga upuan. Ayan yung mga upuan nila. Nakafold. Ayan, marami pang upuan. And may isa pang ihawan rito. Ayan pa mga upuan ng mga nagpi-fishing ng mga Pilipino po dito. Ayan. Meron pang itinangay na ng hangin. And maganda yung spot kasi kahit ilagay nila doon yung rod nila at pag narinig nila yung bell, so tatakbo lang po sila at titignan na nila kung may huli sila. And meron din po silang goggles. So ibig sabihin, naglalangoy po sila rito. And mga toys ng pangbata. Ayan guys. And I'm happy to see this place. Very beautiful. And meron nakalagay. Ayan. Please be considerate. Keep this area clean. Pick up after yourself. And meron siyang sabon. May sponge. Very good. Okay, Buffy, let's go. And once again, shout out sa mga taga Baguio. Sa aking mga kaibigan na pupunta rito. At yaman ako unay ako. Ayan. So, pupunta na po kami sa truck ni Buffy. Let's go, Buffy! Ito, at aakyatin po namin. Ayan. So, ayan na, si Buffy. And I'm so glad that Andre was able to bring the truck in here because